Want to save your favorite streaming videos for offline viewing? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download videos with TuneBoto Video One. TuneBoto Video One is an all-in-one video downloader designed to help you save videos from popular streaming services and more than 1,000 websites. First, launch TuneBoto Video One. Then, customize the output settings according to your needs. This global setting will automatically apply to all videos going forward. Choose a streaming service you want to use. Here we select YouTube. Search or browse to find the video you want to download. Click the download button. TuneBoto will analyze the video and retrieve the available download options. From the advanced download setting window, select the output quality, audio track quality, language, and so on. You can also only extract audio or subtitles as you need. Now click Download and let Video One handle the rest. You can monitor the progress directly from the download list and continue adding other videos. That's it. With TuneBoto Video One, you can save supported streaming videos and enjoy them more flexibly offline. Visit TuneBoto.com and download TuneBoto Video One and give it a try.